Welcome to the channel, where the cosmos comes alive. Today, I'm taking you to one of the wildest places in our solar system, Io, Jupiter's volcanic moon, and home to some of the most insane lava lakes ever discovered beyond Earth. Ready to witness alien fire in the cold void of space? Let's dive in. So, what actually is Io? Well, it's one of Jupiter's 4 largest moons, and Galileo himself spotted it back in 1610. But don't let the tidal moon fool you. Io is nothing like our own. The surface is basically hell on a cosmic scale, stained with sulfur, glowing hot in places, and constantly erupting. Io is, hands down, the most volcanically active body in the solar system, way more active than Earth or even Venus. We're talking over 400 volcanoes, many of them erupting right now as I speak. Let's talk about the main attraction, Io's lava lakes. Among these volcanoes is Loki Patera, and if you think that name sounds dramatic, just wait until you hear what it actually is. Imagine a volcanic depression 200 kilometers wide. That's bigger than Lake Ontario, except it's filled with boiling, churning lava. Every few months, Loki Patera's crust literally overturns in massive waves, resurfacing itself with fresh molten rock. NASA's Juno spacecraft and missions like Galileo before it have spotted glowing infrared signatures, direct proof that these lakes aren't just bubbling, they're alive with activity. Some of these lakes even erupt like volcanic geysers, shooting molten rock hundreds of kilometers into space, and all of this is powered by Io's wild interior heat. But what's the secret behind Io's insanity? It's all about Jupiter's gravity. Io is trapped in a never-ending tug-of-war, squeezed between Jupiter and neighboring moons Europa and Ganymede. This creates what scientists call tidal heating. The constant flexing of Io's interior generates enormous friction, melting the rock inside into magma and fueling these unstoppable volcanoes. Io doesn't just have volcanoes, it's basically a volcano. And here's why that matters. Studying Io's lava lakes doesn't just tell us about Io, it rewrites what we know about geological processes on other worlds. It's helped us imagine what early Earth might have looked like, how planets and moons form, and what it takes to send robots into such a hostile environment. Even bigger, Io sparks questions about exoplanets. Could there be other volcanic moons around distant giants? Could tidal heating make frozen moons warm enough for life deep underground like on Europa? So, Io is both a warning and a wonder, a place where lava flows like rivers and volcanoes never sleep. These alien lava lakes remind us how powerful geology can be, even millions of kilometers away. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wild space stories, and let me know in the comments, which moon should I explore next? Until then, keep looking up. The universe is always watching back.